All right, today we're going to be doing a little comparison of 357 Magnum out of a revolver versus a rifle. What's the speed differentiation? Stay tuned. Thank y'all for staying tuned and coming back to see us here on R4 Mississippi Thunder. Today we're going to do a comparison of 357s. We're going to do a revolver with a 4-inch barrel versus a carbine length rifle with an 18-inch barrel. So we're going to see how much slower the revolver is versus the rifle with 357 Magnum. Now, we have just some Winchester. I believe this is the white boxes, but it is jacketed hollow points, 357. And I'm not even sure about the grains of them, but we're just going to test the velocity differentiation, so I guess that's kind of irrelevant. All right, let me get them loaded up and we'll check the speeds. Okay. All right, first we got the rifle with the 18-inch barrel. Here we go with that. We're going to take 3 shots across the chronograph, or actually 4 shots across the chronograph, and then we're going to calculate that out. $17.51. 1782. 1796. 1753. All right, I will average those out, and when I'm editing, I'll put that number in there. If you've made it this point of the video with us, how about hitting that subscribe button and become part of the R4 Mississippi Thunder community? Or also hit that thumbs up, maybe even a thumbs down if you feel like it. Either one helps us in the YouTube algorithm. Hit that bell for notification of future content. Also, we are on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We post over there. You can find those links in the About page on the YouTube channel here. Also, down below in the description, you'll find a link to our website, a couple affiliate links, and if you feel so inclined, there is a link to Patreon down there. So let's get back to the video. Next, we're going to go with the revolver with the 4-inch barrel, and we're going to take 4 shots across the chronograph with that. $12.46. And a large fireball. 12.37. 12.27. 12.28. All right. Well, there's a good bit of difference. About at least 500 feet per second difference on that. All right, well, I will crunch the numbers, and I'll put a little page coming up of the difference. Okay, so that was a major difference. As you can see in the previous page, there's about a difference of about 530 feet per second difference. That's a larger margin than I thought it would have been. But anyway, I just want to do this video to kind of show you the difference between the two. Hope you like this kind of video. Thank you for tuning in to R4 Mississippi Thunder, and God bless America.